Okanye ke sekuzo ezombane, iCity Power ibhengeze ukuba amakhaya angatha'thintweni nanengeniso ephantsi akayi kuhlawula iinkonzo ezongezelelweyo zerhafu yombane. Oku kulandela ukonyuka okutsha kwamaxabiso ombane ngomyinge we-12.41% kunyaka-mali ka-2025-2026. Okanye ke iCity Power ithi ifuna ukuqinisekisa ukuba abahlali bafumana iinkonzo zombane ngendlela eyiyo nangaphandle kokuxhamkeka epokothweni.
City Power will cushion the poor low-income households from paying increased services and also availability charges as the new tariffs kick in. The City of Joburg's entity will implement the new electricity tariff increase as approved by the National Energy Regulator of South Africa, and they have approved an average increase of about 12.41% across all the City Power customer categories for 2025-2026 financial year. Tariffs are reviewed annually to ensure that we remain reflective of service delivery costs while maintaining financial sustainability. This review complies with the Municipal Finance Management Act and also some of the Electricity Regulation Act and relevant NERSA guidelines. It also considers the public input received during the thorough IDP processes. We are aware of the fact that most of the residents within the city of Johannesburg are really poor and are really have hit hard by the economic realities that we face as the municipality. So the residential prepaid low tariff is designed to basically support indigent customers who remain exempt from paying the 70 rand service charge and also 130 network capacity charge, which in total sits at around 200 rands. This ensures continued relief for the most vulnerable customers in the current economic climate.